मैडम मैडम अक्षय जी
एकदन्तं सर्वकारणं वजवत्रं चतुर्यं पाशाङ्कुशलं देवमध्यायेत् सिद्धिदायकं गुरुशिलायै नमो नमः ध्यायामि तपवे नमो नमः स्वामिदर्शयामि
Okay, directly. 3 weeks. Ready, set, welcome.
All are requested to rise for national anthems.
जनगणमन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
A very good morning to all. Respected Honorable Governor Shri P.S. Sridharan Pillai Sir, Respected Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant Sir, the First Lady Srimati Rita Sridharan, Respected Vice Chancellor Professor H.B. Menon of Goa University, Respected Shri Balbir Kunj MP, ex-MP and National BJP leader, and Respected Shri M.R.M. Rao IAS Secretary to Governor, and all distinguished guests present here amongst us, to this function on the occasion of commencement of the work of installation of statues of Acharya Charaka and Sage Susruta. I request Shri M.R.M. Rao IAS Secretary to Governor to welcome the gathering.
सभी को नमस्कार, सगलियांका सुस्वागत। His Excellency Honorable Governor of Goa Shri P.S. Sridharan Pillai Sir, Honorable Chief Minister of Goa Dr. Pramod Sawant ji, respected Vice Chancellor Dr. Harilal Menon, District Collectors, South and North Goa, Srimati Sneha, Sri Ashwin, First Lady, Madam Reta Sridharan Pillai, Special Officer, Sri Mihir Vardhan, Additional Secretary, Sanjeev Ji, and officers, staff, well-wishers, and some of the recipients of the checks that would be given today, and the Pujaris, Bhandjis, and their team who have been doing the work since morning in the rain, and representatives of electronic and print media, and all my friends. It's an honor for me to welcome all of you to this epoch-making commencement of work of installation of statues of Maharshi Charaka and Acharya Shushruta. As all of you are aware, and many of you are aware, and some light would be thrown during this course by both one of my colleagues and the Honorable Governor himself, that Indian heritage is very well known to many of the people, but to highlight it, our Honorable Governor has taken this initiative of installing the statues of Maharshi Charaka and Acharya Shushruta in the Raj Bhavan lawns itself. They will be placed here. They are being cast in Rajasthan in metal. It will take some time, and that commencement of work is today in the hands of our Honorable Chief Minister of Goa. Sir, we welcome our Excellency who has taken this initiative, and not only this, that we will have the largest collection of bonsai plants, which is called Vamana Vriksha, in fact, to research and monograph that has been established. It was there in India, it has been taken through China to Japan, and now it is flourishing there. But the roots were here, and it was known as dwarf plants, Vamana Vriksha. We are fortunate to have our Honorable Chief Minister, who himself is an Ayurvedic practitioner and young and dynamic leader, who has put Goa on the path of development of infrastructure and other things. Sir, we welcome you, and we are privileged to have Vice Chancellor, who has done a lot of work recently also with convocation and other things. We are getting very good from the new education policy and other things. He is taking Goa and Goa University forward. And we would be joined by Mr. Balbir Pund a little later. I think he is stuck up because of the way. He will be joining us. We will be privileged to have him. He is an eminent writer, journalist, who has been in this field for almost 5 decades. I think they are joining us. Let's see, they are welcome. And I welcome all of you, the collectors who are here. In addition to this, we will be distributing checks. Our Honorable Governor during his Goa Gram Sampurna Yatra, and subsequently also, has been extending financial assistance to needy, cancer, dialysis and other patients at their doorsteps. It's that generally assistance is extended, but you are going to their doorsteps and distributing the checks at their doorstep itself. And subsequently, some financial assistance was given to the institutions. That was also done. But because of certain other things, now we will be giving, sir, today 160 people, and amounting to 40 lakhs. This is in addition to what was given earlier. Some of them could reach, sir, because of rain. Some are still on the way. We would request Honorable CM to distribute, and the remaining checks would be given to the collectors, respective collectors, North and South, who in turn will see that they are given to them at the earliest, so that the assistance reaches. सभी को पहुंच जाएगा, जैसे इनके थ्रू कलेक्टर साउथ एंड नॉर्थ के थ्रू हम दिलवा देंगे. ऑनरेबल सीएम साहब के हाथों से जितने लोग यहाँ पहुँच पाए उनको दिलवाएंगे, बाकी लोगों को उनके हाथों के थ्रू वहाँ पे पहुँचाएंगे. दोबारा आप सबको स्वागत करते हुए मैं विराम लेना चाहता हूँ. थैंक यू.
Thank you, sir. I request Honorable Governor, sir, to address the topic.
Our dynamic Chief Minister of Goa, Honorable Pramod Sawant ji, distinguished guests, and my dear friends. Today, our Honorable Prime Minister declaring that 1001 is in this garden. Our plants are 1001. 1008 is an auspicious thing under our concept, and within one month we will do that. We are expecting something little from Delhi also for that purpose. Vamana Vriksha Kala. Of course, myself and our secretary at that time, Samir Vardhan, in our Grama Yatra, we got idea from a Sanskrit scholar that bonsai, now China is the exporter in the world, and Japan is claiming that this originated from Japan. We don't want to quarrel with anybody, but the fact states that 5,000, 4,000, 5,000 years back, it originated from India, our Bharat, and even Ramayana, Kishkinda Udyan, 365 days, you are getting fruits and flowers. That wonderful garden was in India, and all details, Vamana Vriksha also is referred in such documents. And of course, I am not a science student. I am remote from the concept of botany and zoology and other things. But I studied economics and my college days. But our efforts, then we gave shape to a book, and it was published by our Honorable Uparashtrapati ji. Now I am very happy to say that in 2 universities, this book is recommended as textbook. And further I would like to say, central government also 2 schemes are about to allow, I don't know, applied for research on the subject. Such a happy occasion. That is why I am saying, in the presence of our Honorable Chief Minister and distinguished guests, that this is a permanent investment for our Balbir Punchi, former Vice President of BJP and MP, and a very good writer. So I would like to call it as a permanent investment for our Goa, because 1,000 means I had occasion to search about it. Only in 2 places this type of garden, one in Uttarakhand, their maximum number is 200, and another in Lodi garden. Separate one garden is there. Of course, not they have stated Vaman Vriksha Kala, but the other name is the name. We are not quarreling with anybody. But at the same time, there are also only 200. But in this garden, I told our Honorable Prime Minister and others, Rashtrapati, Uparashtrapati, that 1,000 now, and because of the Rajabhavan's no fund of our own, but our Honorable Prime Minister, I'm much obliged to him on this aspect, because he always, whatever is required through budget and other setup in the administration, granted, and that is why we achieved this goal. And I am sure that Prime Minister also, I gave a copy while he last visited our Goa. Then after reaching Delhi, it is communicated to our Rajbhavan Secretary that 5 more copies are required. And then immediately we send entrusted 5 more copies. Such an unexpected response from all walks of life. And Delhi week, and so many English publications and Hindi publications, they have given articles and interviews on this aspect. Scope is more. Anyway, I entrust everything to Goa administration. Rajbhavan can do much in these types of things, and I hope this today I am very happy. First time we are declaring, of course officially our Chief Minister will declare that 2 monuments to installing that Acharya Charaka. We all know that father of Ayurveda. Our Ayurveda activities are now spreading all over India, even though 1 or 2 countries are not accepted as a medical endeavor. But at the same time, we are achieving that goal, and in that process, Acharya Charaka's that statue is going to be installed within 1 month here. And another is Maharshi Sushruta, the father of surgery. I would like to say that my inquisitive nature, when I go through all these aspects, I found that the Royal Australia College of Surgery, Melbourne in Australia, that is one of the biggest surgery, modern medicine surgery university in the world. One is in Royal in London, and another. These both are the heading institutions. There, this Maharshi Sushruta's that image, that a parroted repetition, because we have not yet accepted the importance of all these things. I am not blaming anybody. In India, we are not given the expected importance to this. This is part of our culture. Renaissance of a country based on our tradition. In that process, our Goa, first time in the history, this Sushruta's image also being put it here, and along with the same, our idea is that the board panels in Australia, they have given the Sushruta's that idol, and along with the same details also put it there. Details, 1152 items of surgery was here. All the names are there. Instruments used at that time also, image is there. All this may be put it here, and through that process, it will continue. It may expand. Innovative nature from for the inaugural function of the same, I think we will have to invite all the Ayurveda experts from throughout the country. Kottakkal Ayurveda Shala agreed, Coimbatore Ayurveda Pharmacy, and all types of experts from this field. We are going to invite them. They will all come, and the Renaissance process we can start from here. And I am very happy that always cooperating our Chief Minister. That is why I called him as dynamic Chief Minister. Because whenever I never in my I have completed 3 years here, never whatever is required for Rajbhavan, he has not taken a reluctant stand, and that much cooperation is there. That is why we have decided our Chief Minister should open the work, and the starting of the work, through his hands we will have to start that. And I am very happy to invite all of you, welcome all of you for this function, and other function may be after September 15th, and that will be a very big function. Of course, government also will look into that aspect and decide. And while 200 book of mine, that is this Vamana Vrishakala, then our Honorable Uparashtrapati of India, he declared that this attempt, he appreciated this attempt, and of course Prime Minister, Rashtrapati, Uparashtrapati, or Home Minister, whatever may be, the Chief Minister also requested the Prime Minister to come. He is busy. I don't know whether what is to be done. Let us together discuss and decide, and your cooperation is solicited. And press people are concerned. Delhi press and others studied about it. I am not blaming anybody. You are all good people, and your cooperation is required, and study about it. Our own contribution not to the nation, but it will spread to other parts of the world also. The Melbourne, one Dr. K.M. Cherian is the first surgeon transplanting the heart surgery. Children's is the most important person in that field. Aged 83, he says, I will come. And he already applied to London College of Surgery also to allow him to install our Sushruda's memory there. Such a person also agreed to come. In that way, we are lucky. Let us have a good starting. And our Belvir Punchi, my young days when I was the national executive of our political party in 90s, then I am very happy to say that a scholarly person always guiding the BJP, Vajpayee ji, Advani ji and others are there. His contribution still I am remembering, and for a short time he was the Prabhari of Kerala when I was the General Secretary of the party, and your presence, of course, he wanted to meet me, and I told him that this program is also there. His presence and his better half also is there. Welcoming. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring words. I request Shri R. Meervardhan, IS retired, Special Officer to Governor, for the presentation of consent.
Namaskar, good afternoon, morning to all of you. Honorable Governor, Honorable Chief Minister, respected Vice Chancellor, distinguished guests and friends. Today, as has already been said, is for the first time in the history of Raj Bhavan, a joint effort of Raj Bhavan and the government of Goa to honor Indian medicine. As the Honorable Governor has already informed you in detail, I will just say a few things about what the world thinks about Indian medicine. Now, 2,500 years ago, Charaka Samhita was written by Maharishi Charaka, father of Ayurveda. Why? Because it is said that the knowledge in this book, it is so vast and it is so deep that anything that cannot be found here can nowhere be found in the world. This is what is said about this Charaka Samhita. And then came Sushruta with his surgical instruments and surgical procedures. And there is an American professor who has said that this is the most systematic classification and knowledge on medicine. So you now find his statue now in Melbourne. And then the contribution of these two Samhitas is something greater than anything else in the world. This is not what I am saying. It is a Russian doctor who said this. Therefore, it is high time that the history of medicine goes in India's favor. And this project, which is originally thought and initiated by Honorable Governor, it is a step in that direction to give recognition and acceptance of Indian medicine not only in our country but the entire world. So today is the beginning of a very historic occasion, and we will be paying a very glorious tribute to Indian medicine, and we should all be very proud of this moment. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Now I request our Honorable Chief Minister to say a few words.
राजभवनाच्या आवारात आम्ही आचार्य चरक आणि महर्षी सुश्रुत हांच्या पुतळ्यांच्या स्टॅच्यू फाउंडेशन स्टोनाच्या ह्या कार्यक्रमाक आणि त्याच बरोबर वामन कलावृक्ष हाजे 1000 प्लांटेशन कंप्लीट जाता ते 1001 हे झाड लावपा खातीर आज खासा हो कार्यक्रम मानादीक राज्यपाल श्री PS श्रीधरन पिल्ले ऑनरेबल गव्हर्नर हांच्यांनी आयोजित केला. ह्या कार्यक्रमाक आमच्या मध्ये आसात आमचे वायस चान्सलर ऑफ गोवा युनिव्हर्सिटी, त्याचबरोबर बोथ द कलेक्टर्स, सेक्रेटरी ऑफ द गव्हर्नर अँड खासा करून उपस्थित असतात मिस्टर बलमीर, नॅशनल भारतीय जनता पार्टी लिडर, मॅडम, पत्रकार बाब सागर, बाकीचे सगळे म्हणजे पत्रकार मित्र, माझ्या बोगाळ भावांनो आणि भयणांनो. खरें म्हटल्यार म्हाज्या खातीर हो खूब खाशेलो दीस आसा. आमी पळयता की ज्या इंडियन सिस्टम ऑफ मेडिसिन्स म्हणजे आयुर्वेदाचो जो हांवें अभ्यास केलो, जेतूंतल्यान हांवें ग्रॅज्युएशन कंप्लीट केलो आणि चरक संहिता, सुश्रुत संहिता आणि वाघबट संहिता हातूंतल्यान 3 महर्षी ज्यांच्यांनी पुराय भारत देशाक न्हय तर जगाक ज्यांच्यांनी मेडिसीन, सर्जरी हाजें ज्ञान जर कोणी दिलें आसत, हांव जगाक म्हणटा, फक्त भारताक न्हय, जाल्यार ते चरक संहिता, सुश्रुत संहिता आणि वाघबट संहिता. म्हाका योग आयलो आयुर्वेद शिकल्या कारणान ह्यो 3य संहिता थोड्या प्रमाणात तरी शिकपाचो योग हो आयुर्वेदाच्या कारणान म्हाका आयलो आणि त्या निमित्तात आयुर्वेदाचो ग्रॅज्युएट असल्या कारणान म्हज्या हस्ते आज ह्या दोनूय महर्षींचो फाउंडेशन स्टोन हांगासर जाता. त्या खातीरय म्हाका खूब बरें दिसता. वामन कलावृक्ष बॉन्साय प्लांटेशन जे आमच्या गव्हर्नर हावजात जाता आणि तेजे 1000 प्लांटेशन आमी पुराय करता, तोय बी खूब खाशेलो दीस आसा. त्या निमित्तात आमी सदोदीत म्हणजे मानादी गव्हर्नर हांकां सदोदीत आमी याद करतले. सर, आय एम कॉंग्रॅच्युलेटिंग यू स्पेशली फॉर दीस चरक अँड सुश्रुत स्टॅच्यू फाउंडेशन स्टोन यू आर डुईंग. You will be remembered forever in the history of Goa and the history of this governor house for these 3 things. I am not telling about the 2 things. One about the Vaman Kalavriksha, the one about this, both the statue and the Kapila Goshala. That is also the unique things you did in the campus of this Raj Bhavan. This will be the forever remembered in the history of Goa and this governor house. खूब खोस भोगता. हाज्या फुडें खूब कितलेशेच लोक, जशें आमी म्हटल्या की पुराय देशांत अशा पद्दतीचे 1000 प्लांटेशन वामन कलावृक्ष आमकां खंयसरूच एका जाग्यार पळोवपाक मेळचे ना. ते पळोवपा खातीर इन फ्युचर लोक हांगासर येतले म्हाका दिसता आणि त्याच निमित्तात लोकूय हांगासल्यान हे नॉलेज घेवन पास आवट करतले. आयुर्वेदा शिकपी आणि त्याच बरोबर सायन्स आणि इनोव्हेशन शिकपी म्हणजे युनिव्हर्सिटी आमची खूब तेंकोन आसा. दे विल टेक द इन्स्पिरेशन्स दीस टायप ऑफ रिसर्च आणि बुक्स हे बरोवपा खातीर सदोदीत त्यांचें इन्स्पिरेशन घेवन गोंयांतले तरणाटे आणि युनिव्हर्सिटीत शिकपी स्टुडंट्स हांच्या खातीरय बी हो एक रिसर्च ओरिएंटेड स्टडी आसा, ज्यात आमी इनोव्हेशन रिसर्च ज्या पद्दतीत म्हणजे एक गजाल लक्षात घेवपाक जाय, भारतात इनोव्हेशन आणि रिसर्च हो आतां पासून न्हय तर आमी म्हणटा जाका म्हणजे चरक आणि सुश्रुत ह्या काळा पासून रिसर्च तयार जाल्लो आसा. सर्जरी जरी मॉडर्न सायन्सान आतां सांगली गेली आसत जाल्यार चरक आणि सुश्रुत म्हणजे रायनोप्लास्टी, द सर्जरी ऑफ द नोज, ही सर्जरी ही सुश्रुतात तेन्ना सांगिल्ली. आमी आज एड्स ह्या डिजीजाचेर जग आज उलयता. ओजक्षय हो डिजीज म्हणजे चरकात त्या वेळार सांगिल्लो आणि ताची लक्षणांय बी आज द एड्स आणि ओजक्षय हाजी लक्षणां तंतोतंत बरोबर आसा आणि म्हणून तर म्हणजे भारत देशात चरक सुश्रुत हे जावन गेले आणि ताज्याच निमित्तात हे आमी आज आमच्या गव्हर्नर हावजात हे दोन्ही स्टॅच्यू घालता. खरोखरच मनाक खूब खोस भोगता. मानादी गव्हर्नर हे आमच्या सदोद्यांत वेगवेगळी खूब बरी कामां ही राज्यांत करीत आयिल्ली आसा. तांच्यांनी पुराय गोंयचो प्रवास गांवांतल्यान करत आसतना आमी ताका म्हणटा की आमी स्वयंपूर्ण गोंय करपाचें ठरयलें. तांच्यांनी संपूर्ण गोवा यात्रा काडपाची ठरयली आणि त्या निमित्तात ते पुराय गोंयांत सगळ्या गांवांतल्यान भोंवले. गांवांतल्यान वेगवेगळे प्रश्न तांच्यांनी जाणूनय घेतले. तांच्यांनी आपल्या रायटिंगांतल्यान इंग्लीश आणि मल्याळम हातूंतल्यान तांच्यांनी बरयले. तांचे बुक्स प्रसिद्धी करपाचे 1-2 बूक म्हाज्याय हस्ते म्हाका प्रसिद्धी करपाचो योग आयलो. इट इज म्हणजे ल्हान काम न्ही, 200 बुक्स बरोवप हे खूब व्हड काम आसा आणि म्हाका दिसता सर, आय एम कॉंग्रॅच्युलेटिंग वन्स अगेन फॉर यू. So the youth can take the inspiration from you to writings of the books also. So अशाच पद्दतीन तरणाट्यांनी तांच्या कडल्यान इन्स्पिरेशन घेवन हेंय काम तांच्यांनी करचें अशें म्हाका दिसता. आयच्या दिसाच्यो हांव तांकां परत एकदां खूब खूब शुभेच्छा दिता आणि तांच्यांनी सांगल्या त्या प्रमाणे आमी मानादीक प्रधानमंत्री हांकांय बी स्टॅच्यूचें अनावरण करपा खातीर आनी वामन कलावृक्ष पळोवपा खातीर हांवेंनी स्वता मानादीक प्रधानमंत्री हांकां बरयलां. तांच्या व्यस्त शेड्युलांतल्यान तांच्यांनी जर टायम काडलो आसत जाल्यार व्हड कार्यक्रम करून दोनूय स्टॅच्यूचें अनावरण हे ह्या परिसरांत जातलें. थोड्या तेंपात आमचें गव्हर्नर हावजूय बी जे नवीन आमी बांदता तेंय पुराय कंप्लीट जातलें आनी एकंदर कॅम्पस ताच्या उपरांत ओल्ड हावज एज अ म्युजियमाच्या रुपांत कन्वर्ट जाल्या उपरांत तातूंतल्यान एक खूब बरो परिसर आमकां हांगासर पळोवपाक मेळटलो. परत एकदां हांव तांकां खूब खूब शुभेच्छा दितां आनी म्हाजी 2 उतरां सोंपयतां. देव बरें करूं.
Thank you, sir, for your enlightening speech. Now I request Sri Balbir Poonj, who would like to present his books to Honorable Governor, sir, and Honorable CM, sir.
You know, some days we are just lucky. I'd come on a private business here, and since His Excellency the Governor of Goa is a very old friend of mine, so I called him. So I not only met him, I also had the opportunity and privilege of meeting the youthful, energetic Chief Minister of Goa. So, and also attending such a function. Sridhar Pillai has been a very old friend of mine, but he is also very modest. He has written how many books, sir, by the way? 200. And I think he will complete 365 books. One book for each day of the year. And I've met Pramod ji for the first time, but I've heard a great deal. When I look at people like Shri Pramod Sawant, I feel very, there is a Hindi word, santusht, satisfied. Because when you feel, when you look at people like him, full of energy, honesty, probity, vision in life, you feel assured that the future of the BJP is very, very secure, and the future of Bharat Mata is also very, very secure. Because they are the leaders who are going to shape. And last thing, sir, 2 suggestions in the context of the program today. Pramod ji, if you could include compulsory 4 days in a year for students and teachers to go and see for themselves the biodiversity of this country. And children should be told, shown, this is what Tulsi looks like. And these are the benefits of Tulsi. Because now people staying in multi-story apartments, children even don't get to see a plant. So it should be made obligatory for a school to take children out 4 days in a year or 5 days in a year, as the decision may be taken, to various gardens where these plants exist. So they should know what people looks like, what bargad looks like, what shisham looks like, what teakwood looks like, and how Tulsi looks like. And second, sir, Goa, it's somewhere known only for fun tourism. Going back to its proud history and tradition to 3,000 to 4,000 years back, it should also be known as a wellness destination. So if you could take initiative and have a wellness center based on Ayurveda, and this is where we can use the expertise of Sridharan Pillai, our Honorable Governor. He comes from a state where Ayurveda has been put into practice and it's a big tourist attraction. So since he has dual loyalty to Kerala, loyalty to Goa, so we can use his expertise and make Goa as a tourist destination for wellness. Thank you very much, sir. I was not a scheduled speaker, but you allowed me to speak. Very kind of you. Stay blessed. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
I request Honorable Chief Minister to please distribute the checks which are being given out of discretionary funds. I take this opportunity to thank Government of Goa and Honorable Chief Minister for extending all this assistance and financial assistance, and our Honorable Governor who has taken personal interest to get this done in time. Please, Honorable.
Sundari Govind Gaus. Peter Anthony Viegas. Faridabai A. Sheikh. Faridabai Sheikh. Iftikhar Ali Khan. Iftikhar Ali Khan. Dataram Mahale. Sarat Sunlight Ajita. Prabhukant Bakal.
So today we are giving total 160 40 lakhs. Some of them could reach sir. बाकी लोगों के लिए collector को दिलवा रहा sir. I'll request collector Srimati Sneha first, then Sri Ashwin second. Thank you, sir.
I request Sri Nilesh Vaingankar, Assistant Horticulture Officer, to propose the vote of thanks.